Many people think of the Hawaiian Islands as a Pacific paradise, a string of tropical islands lush with exotic flora and fauna. But the island's native species, especially birds, have been under increasing pressure since humans first settled here.
Hawaii is the bird extinction capital of the world. The 50th state has a reputation as an island paradise, but I think a lot of people don't realize that through a long history of animal and plant introductions, Hawaii's bird populations have been decimated.
George Wallance is a vice president at the American Bird Conservancy. The ABC was among the first groups to sound the alarm about mongoose on the island of Kauai. The predator can be devastating to water birds that come ashore to raise just one chick per year.
Mongoose are not great climbers of trees, but they are very capable of taking the nestlings and eggs of ground nesting birds. And that would be particularly the Hawaiian water birds.
The mongoose have no natural enemies on the Hawaiian Islands. They are a common sight along roadsides and near garbage dumps. The island of Kauai had been free of mongoose until recently, so its birds are doing better than those on the other islands. Brad Bortner is with the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service.
There are over 100 species of birds that are unique to Hawaii and only exist there. Over 71 species have gone extinct, and there's another 31 that are listed as threatened and endangered.
Mongoose are just one of many threats facing Hawaii's birds. There are other invasive animals and plants, insect-borne diseases, and habitat destruction. Bortner said the Fish and Wildlife Service has joined with other groups to restore habitats, install predator traps and fencing, and support captive breeding programs for such endangered bird species as the Hawaiian crow. Recent surveys show that the populations of some native Hawaiian bird species unique to the islands are down to just a few hundred individuals. George Wallance says the lack of resources limits the response to the crisis.
If you look at all of the bird species listed under the Endangered Species Act, there are over about 90 in the United States. 1/3 of them occur in Hawaii, but only 4% of the funding for the recovery of endangered species actually goes to these birds on Hawaii.
To raise public awareness about Hawaii's threatened birds, the American Bird Conservancy recently released a 30-minute documentary called Endangered Hawaii. The video is available on internet and is being distributed to schools and government agencies. This is Zulima, Palacio, VOA News, Washington.
These birds were primary drivers